Welcome to Aesthetic TV. I'm Stuart Brazell coming to you from the stage of the Aesthetic Show in Las Vegas. The Thermi family of energy-based devices has quickly become a strong competitor in the medical aesthetics field. Thermi systems offer minimally and non-invasive radiofrequency energy treatments that also allow patients to be as comfortable as possible during and after the procedure. For example, the Thermi RF multi-use platform offers many applications, such as ThermiTite for subdermal tissue remodeling, ThermiSmooth Face for non-invasive dermal remodeling, and ThermiVa for vaginal rejuvenation. Thermi has also introduced the newest solution for the temporary reduction of cellulite, Thermi 250. Here to probe deeper into all of the applications of the Thermi RF platform and Thermi 250 is Dr. Gregory Buford, a plastic surgeon practicing in the Denver, Colorado area. Welcome to Aesthetic TV.
Thanks, Stuart.
Thermi 250 is FDA cleared to provide temporary reduction in the appearance of cellulite. How does it work?
ThermiSmooth Body is performed using the Thermi 250 device. It's a powerful, temperature-controlled radiofrequency system designed to enable maximal versatility in targeting cellulite while simultaneously relieving pain, muscle spasms, and increasing local circulation. The electrode, which varies in different sizes, provides transdermal application of this RF heat to reach and maintain tissue temperature targets within a very well-defined and precise range. In other words, we provide consistent thermal regulation and output control by using a specific size of electrode, sending energy to the target tissues with minimal patient discomfort, and in reality, I would say no patient discomfort and no pain.
Can you show us some examples of ThermiSmooth Body treatments?
Of course. So these are examples of ThermiSmooth Body treatment. In this patient, on the left is a before, on the right, after 3 treatments, is the after. What you see is a very nice smoothing of the overall contour and lack of the original irregularities. Cellulite is definitely improved in this patient. This patient, in the abdominal frame, 10 months later, you can see a significant improving of the abdominal wall contour. This next patient, you see a very nice improvement not only of contour, but also lack of fullness laterally. The love handles are literally gone.
Absolutely, I saw big differences in all 3.
It's huge.
The Thermi RF device offers several applications, one of which is ThermiTite. Dr. Buford, can you please tell us about that procedure?
Sure. ThermiTite is a unique technology that works with a Thermi RF system. This is the device that we use. So Thermi RF is the engine that drives several different applicators. ThermiTite performs subdermal tissue remodeling. The technical term, though, is thermistor-controlled subdermal skin remodeling. Like the ThermiSmooth Body, which we've talked about, ThermiTite uses radiofrequency energy to do its work. But unlike the ThermiSmooth Body, ThermiTite is minimally invasive. So subdermal tissue is heated to a therapeutic temperature by inserting this 16 to 22 gauge radiofrequency electrode controlled by the overall system under the skin. We then monitor internal temperatures and regulate these through the device's advanced thermal image guidance technology. This provides real-time external skin temperature monitoring. This allows us to ensure clinical precision and maintain high levels of safety for our patients.
How do you keep the skin surface cool to avoid burns?
This is a very important question. We apply temperatures to underneath the skin and regulate these using the device. We also use a fluoro camera as well too externally, knowing that if the skin gets above 45 degrees, that burns can be achieved. So we maintain these temperatures in a very, very controlled environment. There's no need to cool off the skin. It's a fundamental concept. If you have accuracy of heat application, then you have safety and you have consistent efficacy. It's really a tension between hot and cold. If you can't control heat well, then you protect the skin with cooling. But the more cooling you apply, the more heat you need to apply to achieve heating. So the breakthrough here is there's no need for cooling because temperature control monitoring is so precise and so reliable.
I understand you brought along some before and afters of ThermiTite treatments as well?
I did. So if you look here, this is a patient that was treated along the jawline and under the neck, a very important area, and one area that's becoming very, very powerful with respect to overall facial remodeling. This is the result 1 month later at treatment degrees of 60 degrees centigrade with no liposuction performed. Pretty amazing.
Yes.
Pretty amazing. This next patient, patient of Dr. DiBernardo's, this is at 6 days after the procedure. As you can tell, there's really no bruising, minimal swelling. The patient had very little downtime, but as you can see already, the skin is actually shrinking down. This next patient is 1 week out, treatment of the neck and jowls, and again, as you can see, very dramatic result. Now what I would tell the patient is it's going to take about 6 months for her to see the final results, but even at 1 week, you're already seeing a dramatic improvement in the overall appearance of her neck and her jawline.
In addition, Thermi partners with physicians to make sure adding a new device to their practice is an economic success. How does this program work?
Thermi provides a very wonderful program. We've used them for the last 6 months to actually help us market. So each of our practices receive a professional experienced, dedicated practice development partner that assists each practice with strategic business assessment, planning, patient education support, staff training, and integration of the application within the practice.
And then any personal experiences you'd like to share?
We've actually seen a significant amount of increase in interest for our program, for Thermi overall, with use of this program. It's helped us build this program very successfully and integrate this in what is essentially a very surgical program.
That all sounds very interesting and definitely worthwhile for practices. I'd like to thank Dr. Buford for joining us today to talk about the Thermi family of aesthetic procedures.
Thank you, Stuart.
And thank you for tuning in to Aesthetic TV. I'm Stuart Brazell. Stay tuned, and as always, stay beautiful.